everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditi and I hope you all are keeping safe and doing great. So for the longest time, I was somehow delaying and avoiding to shop from Urbanic, also called as Urbanic by most of the people. And that is for no reason at all. मतलब मैं कर ही नहीं रही थी उससे शॉप. I was looking at it again and again. In fact, मेरे फ़ोन पे Urbanic का app was also installed for so long and again Facebook, Instagram पे उसके ads भी आते रहते थे. But I was not shopping from that site. ऐसा भी नहीं कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि it's overpriced. In fact, after shopping from Urbanic, I feel like it's doing quite a lot of justice to the price that it is offering the products for, because उनके जो products मुझे receive हुए, it's actually worth the money. So as such कोई reason नहीं था, but I was just avoiding. But finally one fine day I just woke up and I placed this huge order on Urbanic. And this is how it goes. These are the two huge cartons boxes that I received from Urbanic after I purchased from them, and I'm going to be showing you each and every product one after. But before that, I would first like to take a moment and appreciate the efforts that they've put into packaging. So I love how they have invested so much into the packaging of their products. Your products are very much safe into these boxes, and not only these carton box, but इसके अंदर भी जो products हमें receive होते हैं, they come in these amazing Ziploc bags which I'll be showing. For example, these packets. So सारे products individually ऐसे Ziploc plastic bags में आते हैं, and they have their branding done on the package as well. So this is quite reusable. Moving on, the best part about this whole haul video is that it is a try on haul, and of course the prices at which I bought will also be mentioned. However, I will also attach the link of each product separately in the description box so that आपको उसको ढूंढना ना पड़े, आप सीधे description box से उस product को trace कर सकते हैं. So talking about the delivery, I received all the products in the span of 10 days. I placed my order on 22nd of July and I got them on the 2nd of August. So that's exactly 10 days. Okay, I have to agree they take slightly longer as compared to all the other sites that we have, but I think it is worth the wait. Okay guys, so the first piece of clothing that I'm going to be showing you is this very beautiful black midi dress which has a slit on the left leg, and it has a very beautiful sweetheart neckline which absolutely is to die for. I love how it just complements my neckline and my collarbone, and it looks very pretty. And the best thing about this dress is that it has a little ruching detail going on over here which adds so much detail and texture to the whole simple dress and it makes it look so expensive. Talking about the material, तो ये cotton है as mentioned in the site, and even if you touch it, it's very soft and comfortable to wear. I wore this outside and it is just very nice and body hugging, and I just absolutely love this. In fact, this was my most favorite piece of clothing, and I bought this dress in the size S. And if you are thinking या फिर आपने इसको अभी तक wishlist करके रखा है, तो I think I'll give you a huge thumbs up. You can go ahead with this one, or I love this. Okay, so next are 3 Simplicity joggers that I absolutely jumped into as soon as I saw it. So basically मैंने 2 अलग-अलग orders place किए थे जो 10 individual days के अंदर आए थे. तो सबसे पहले जो मैंने जॉगर ऑर्डर किया था वो था ये ग्रे कलर का, and I love this one. I absolutely love wearing joggers in my daily life. पहले मैं सिर्फ H&M के joggers पहनती थी, but when I discovered this one, this was the first one that arrived and I liked it so much. इसका फैब्रिक इतना अच्छा और कंफर्टेबल था, and it's not like वो पतला सा फैब्रिक नहीं है, ये अच्छा मोटा मटेरियल था. Even though the site mentions it as polyester, but it is not those regular cheap polyester. ये बहुत ही अच्छा क्वालिटी का था. मुझे इनफैक्ट इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया कि the next order that I placed उसमें मैंने 2 सेम जॉगर्स ऑर्डर किए, डिफरेंट कलर्स, मतलब सेम वेरिएंट के 2 अलग जॉगर्स मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया, एक ब्लैक और एक ऑलिव ग्रीन. एंड लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, all the 3 of them look amazing and they have absolutely exceeded all my expectations. So normally I like to wear very loose joggers. I always buy joggers in a size bigger than what is my actual size. So I ordered all the 3 joggers in the size medium. बहुत अच्छी ऐसे elastic बनी है, which is not like your cheap one. Waistband is also elasticated. They have these pockets in the side, which is like a very nice side pocket on both the sides. तो सारे joggers में ऐसे हैं. You see how nice this olive one looks. बहुत ही अच्छा गाइस. आई थिंक अगर आप जॉगर्स पर्सन हो तो आपको ये लेना चाहिए बिकॉज आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट देम इज देयर प्राइस. It is only rupees 700 something and I got it for 600 and something. So I think it is a very good purchase and you should go for it. So जो ग्रे वाला जॉगर है इसका फैब्रिक थोड़ा सा अलग है as compared to these two joggers. इनका फैब्रिक आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही स्मूथ सा टेक्सचर है, बट अपना जो ये ग्रे वाला जॉगर है इसका टेक्सचर थोड़ा सा ऐसे डिफरेंट है. I think it's because of the color. I don't know what it is. So I think it is again a thumbs up. You can go for this. So moving on, the next piece of clothing that I have is this very cute vest top. And I have ordered two vest tops together. एक तो ये है जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया, and the other one is this olive green vest top. So ये मैंने size M में मंगा लिया था. But this one I ordered in size S and this is 100% cotton material. It is like a ribbed fabric. It looks like it is ribbed. I can say that I love this through and through. And I could probably say that it is a replica of those H&M wala vest which they have. उनका same vest is for rupees 799 or something. This is for rupees 400 something. Moving on, जो दूसरा vest top है ये मुझे उतना पसंद नहीं आया. पहले तो इसका fabric polyester है. It is not from the same variant जो दूसरा वाला था. ये दूसरा वेरिएंट है. ये मैंने ऑलिव इसलिए स्पेशली लिया था बिकॉज मैंने जो ऑलिव जॉगर लिया उसके साथ मुझे पेयर अप करना था. बट द थिंग इज दैट इसका कलर थोड़ा लाइट है. मोर ओवर दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ लूज. मुझे लूज कपड़े बहुत पसंद है बट वेस्ट लुक्स नाइस इफ इट इज बॉडी हगिंग. ऑफकोर्स ये मेरी गलती कि मैंने मीडियम में ले लिया बिकॉज आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू सी वेदर स्मॉल फिट्स मी और मीडियम फिट्स मी, इसलिए मैंने दोनों का एक एक ले लिया था. बट आई थिंक मीडियम इज नॉट माई साइज. तो ये थोड़ा सा इल फिटेड लगता है और इसका जो फैब्रिक है मुझे थोड़ा सा सी थ्रू लगता है बिकॉज इट्स लाइक वेरी थिन. I mean, I feel like this is like an okayish product. Moving on to the next product, which is again my favorite because ये तो मुझे चाहिए था जो मैं कब से देख रही थी. And that is this amazing jacket. This is like a wind cheater jacket. The fabric of the product on the side says polyester. So this is polyester, but it is a wind cheater वाला material which I absolutely love. This is one of my most favorite fabric in active wear क्योंकि मुझे इसका whole look of wind cheater मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And of course the color is very pretty. ये मैंने actually में grey लिया है as mentioned on the site, but this is a light purple-ish sort of lavenderish jacket. And I love the whole look of this. It has two pockets on either sides and नीचे से ऐसे elasticated है. Joggers के साथ बहुत ही amazing लगेगा. This I got in the size medium. Okay friends, so the last product, the best product in this haul video, and that is a complete steal deal. I'm telling you because I'm pretty sure आप देखोगे तो आप भी agree करोगे. And that is this amazing denim. I have been dying to buy from so many different sites and places, but Urbanic ने finally मेरा दिल जीत लिया जब मैंने ये जीन्स को ऑर्डर किया. सबसे पहली बात तो ये 2 दिन के अंदर आ गया. लाइक मैंने आज ऑर्डर किया, परसों सुबह उठते ही दिस जीन्स अराइव्ड. एंड समहाउ आई डोंट नो क्या ये फास्ट डिलीवरी होती है इनकी एक कुछ, तो वहाँ से ये आया था. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी बिकॉज ये जीन्स मेरी एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट है. द फिटिंग इज अमेजिंग. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे लूज हो जाता है बट दिस वॉज द स्मॉलेस्ट साइज दैट दे हैड इन दिस वेरिएंट. सो दे हैव द सेम जीन्स इन ब्लैक अवेलेबल एज वेल, बट मुझे हमेशा से ब्लू रिप डेनिम चाहिए थी. इनफैक्ट मुझे ऐसा कहना चाहिए कि मैं सालों से, इनफैक्ट जब से दुनिया में मैं आई थी मैं यही ढूंढ रही थी और मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. And when I actually found this, I was like, my happiness had crossed all boundaries. My friends also were like, oh finally you found your dream jeans, and I'm like, yes I did. मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा था guys. And the best thing, cherry on top, is the fact that I got jeans for how much? 1400 only. मतलब 1300 something. मैं तो 1400 भी दे दूँ, मैं 1500 भी दे देती. मुझे इतना पसंद था ये, बट मुझे ये 1300 समथिंग में पड़ा है. एंड आई कैन नॉट इवन टेल यू हाउ मच आई लाइक दिस जीन्स. द क्वालिटी इज सो गुड. आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्बनिक के डेनिम की क्वालिटी एंड आई थिंक दे आर नॉट रॉन्ग बिकॉज इट इज अमेजिंग. थोड़ा सा लूज है, बेल्ट लगा के पहन लो, इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट. सो आई लव दिस वन वे टू मच. इट्स माई फेवरेट डेनिम. मैं अब इट्स लाइक अब मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ तो मैं यही डेनिम पहनती हूँ. सो या दैट इज दैट. विद दिस वी कम टू एन एंड टू आवर हॉल वीडियो. दिस वॉज ऑल आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू शेयर विथ यू गाइज. So please do let me know which is your favorite product amongst all of this that I've showed you, and let me know if you are interested in buying the same. And if you have any questions about the site or the app or the clothes that I've bought, then please let me know in the comment section. If you would like to connect with me on any other social media platforms, then you can find me in the description box. And if you have any suggestions or any corrections for me, then please do let me know. I'm open to all suggestions. I would be more than happy to connect with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. It would mean everything to me. And please do watch my other haul videos also, which are there on my channel. And I would see you all in my next video. And until then, take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. Lots of love. Bye-bye. Toodles!